bros and hams, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies. Today we're playing Minecraft Bed Wars, and I have some pretty devastating news. So if you have not realized, I'm actually playing on an alt right now, and there's actually there's pretty like good reason why I'm doing that. Yeah, and you may be wondering like why I'm playing on alt, and the reason is because my main account got banned. Yeah, so it wasn't like yeah, so I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna come out and say it. Yeah, I was hacking, you know. It's like it's shameful to admit, but that's the truth, you know. I was just hacking a little bit too much, and I paid the consequences. Like 3 hits, bro. 3 hits. They weren't even critical hits. Well, I guess we need to watch out for Aqua. But yeah, so I was caught hacking, you know, and it's not cool to admit, you know. I mean, like, it's not a good thing. It failed. So yeah, like, yeah. So if you want to like unsubscribe, I totally understand. It's just that like this is just a total April Fool's joke. Like, I'm totally not banned. Yeah, I'm not banned. It's April 1st. Well, not right now, as you see, like there it says March 31st, but when it comes out, it'll be April 1st. You have minor fatigue, which is absolute pog, dude. Sir, you know I'm here, right? Why are you now coming out? Like, okay, so you can run over to my base, bro. Please don't do this. I'm avoiding. What's great about being on all is I can just be like, please no. Oh wait, sorry. I don't remember being in a party chat. What are you talking about? This is like my first game on. How could I have been in a party chat? No. Diamond sword, bro. Diamond sword. You 3-shot me with a stone sword. You like have diamond swords now? It's kind of trash. All right, I hate this map, but I have to get revenge on this. Did he leave? No, he's right there. I have to get revenge on this guy. I don't. Why does that do that? It just like disappears. Whatever. I have to get revenge on him. Never played on this map. Yeah, we got this. I'm too fast for you on red team. I'm on pink team, so yeah, I'm just gonna go that way, I guess. This map is like sometimes like these new maps are so weird though. Like, am I the only one that thinks that? Because they're weird. Like, I don't know what to do on them. They're so like confusing. Like, do I rush side? Do I rush diagonal? I need to switch blocks. Okay, great. Don't win. Don't kill me, bro. Like, this is okay. If he like wins this fight, I'm gonna blame it on the on like, dude, look at all his cosmetics, bro. Okay, he actually sucks, but his cosmetics had scared me initially, so yeah, but it's okay, we're good now. I think I try-harded a little bit too much on him, and so like we're all good now though. Oh, I didn't need to jump up on that. Why? His CPS is so high. He like places blocks so fast, but then it didn't matter because he just got like killed. So you're gonna run around? Oh my gosh, bro, get bad. How many cosmetics do you need? And then you just get comboed. I'm on the bottom of the stairs. I can probably kill him. Unless that happens, I literally get 2-shot off. Like, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Level 61? And I just get absolute tossed around by him? He like, I don't get it. Like, can someone show me what he is doing differently than me? Because I am convinced we are doing the exact same thing, but somehow his are just working. Dude, too easy, bro. 9 emeralds, too easy. And I have now gotten my revenge, although this guy is here now. It's alright, though. It's alright. Now I have, like, whatever these things are called, ladders and fireballs and TNT and stuff, so... You know what? It's actually fine. It doesn't matter that I don't have sharpness or prot and I threw my diamonds into the void. You know, all that's chill. All that is chillin'. Iron armor. It's not protected. Didn't work, sir. Did not work. Chances. Not happening today, sir. Not happening today. Bro, what is this guy doing? There we go. Well, I only have like half health. That's fine, this guy seems bad. GG's. Oh, I have the toy stick, I don't have my dragon. Alright guys, well, that's gonna end it for today's video. If you liked this video, which you probably didn't because it literally had like nothing to it. It was literally just me playing Bed Wars. But whatever, if you liked it, make sure to like Big Chungus, you know? Big Chungus, he's right there. Make sure to Big Chungus, alright?